The clock says 12:40. It's time for lunch, and I'm very excited for this one because I love tuna salad. But I'm gonna make a bomb avocado green goddess dressing to toss with my tuna and then put it on a bed of cabbage and carrots. I'm gonna make the dressing. Baba Dani's over yonder there slicing the vegetables for the base. In the blender, I'm gonna start with an avocado. It feels like it's a good one. I've had good luck lately, survey says. Good. We'll pop the seed. We'll add one whole avocado to the blender. This is really good. EVOO. I got in Tuscany back in October. I'll add about a 4-second pour to start. This is the kind of dressing recipe where you're gonna taste it and adjust it, and then I'll write the final recipe for you guys. Bulgarians invented the most prevalent bacteria strain that all yogurts use, Lactobacillus bulgaricus. So we'll add just over a half a cup. If you want to keep it dairy-free, use your favorite dairy-free yogurt too. Before I juice the lemon, I will zest it with the Flav City zester. Cut it in half. Find my citrus reamer. We'll start with the juice of half of the lemon. You can always add more later on. Capers. Super yummy, briny, salty. I like the brine so much, first I'll spill in a teaspoon of the brine, and then take some of the berries out. If you really like funky flavors, you can add a couple fillets of anchovies also. Anytime I make any dressing, I use stone ground mustard. Lovely flavor and emulsifies the dressing. We need some garlic, so I'll smash 1 clove in the blender. Good pinch of Celtic salt, a few cracks of black pepper, and the key to a green goddess is lots of fresh herbs, and for that we're gonna head out to the garden. We have to protect the parsley, but specifically the kale, because the iguanas go in there and they eat all of my Tuscan kale. So we'll get a bunch of flat leaf Italian parsley here and tuck this back in. Leilani thought this was a dill here, but it's actually fennel. My favorite part of the fennel are the tops, and I have more dill inside because Bulgarians love dill. You can't have a kitchen without it. So we'll take some fennel fronds, they're called. Very aromatic. If you can smell right now, it'd be like black licorice. This chocolate mint in some fresh tea is unbelievable. This is lemon balm. This is lemon balm, not mint. We're gonna take some lemon balm. And then you know what? I'll just take a little bit of chocolate mint because I thought I had spearmint, but I don't. Perfect. And then here's some dill we had in the fridge. All of this goes in the blender and we'll put the spurs to it. All right, Baba's over here chopping the base vegetables. Color's on point, texture's nice. Sabor. Wow, it's actually really good. I want something though. I want more olive oil. By the way, this is my first time ever making a green goddess dressing. I'm totally winging it. I did some research on the internet, adapted it to my style, and I like it. That's yummy. Leilani, come here. Leilani's got a great taste bud, so we'll make sure that you're happy with it too. It's really good, right?
Oh, wow.
Yeah.
That goes everywhere.
Yeah, exactly. All right,
You know,
we're good.
It's good.
Baba's mixing the grated carrots with the cabbage. She broke out her machete for this one. That looks perfect. No, she does know. Izgleda dobre. She's asking if I want to put more stuff. I like it. I think the most important part of this recipe is what kind of tuna you use. So I've always talked about this in the past, but the bigger the tuna is, the higher the mercury, which is why I do not eat albacore tuna unless it's the safe catch one from Costco, which is tested. I prefer chunk light or skipjack tuna, and I also prefer when it says pole and line caught. That means they're not like dragging a net on the bottom of the ocean and catching Flipper the dolphin and stuff. So look for those smaller tuna. I'm gonna add 4 cans to a bowl. Even though my dressing is highly seasoned, this is highly bland. So I will add a pinch of salt, a little more lemon juice, some black pepper. I always love a sweet pop of flavor in my tuna, so I'll shake in some raisins. And I always love some crunch, so I will chop up some celery with the Flav City knife here. In the bowl she goes. Now we dress it with the green goddess. Look at the texture. You can use that as a dip. How does that look, Baba Dani? Salatka dressing says avocado, kisel miyako. Isn't that nice? Ah? Merci, Dani. Merci. Da, it's like a creme. It's a savory creme, exactly. And I'm going to save some of this dressing for the veggies that Baba prepped. Oh, Wow, Baba loves it. No-go aromatic, very aromatic. I like that. This is the culinary version of Nickelodeon slime here. Bobby approved slime. We'll add some of the dressing. Not a lot. I don't want to make it green. I just want that pop of freshness here, along with olive oil, salt, pepper, and lemon juice. You'll notice how I'm seasoning everything. I want every bite to be highly seasoned. Talk about a high protein, low carb lunch, high fiber and roughage. It's going to clean you out. High omega-3 good fats from the avocado. This is about as good as they get. Whoa. Prova. That is super, super yummy, right? Holy cow. Thank you. Very, very delicious.
Gourmet.
Gourmet, yes. Let's welcome to the gourmet kitchen here, friends. We'll put a scoop of the slaw on the bottom of the bowl. A nice big scoop of the green goddess tuna. And a sprinkle of fresh herbs. And there it is, friends, lunch. And I think we started this video at 12:40, and now it's 1:08, and we're making a video, so this is a really quick lunch. I'm gonna go in for a power bite here. Tons of flavor, very aromatic, like Bob has said, but the base adds some much needed texture. This is fantastic, and this will last a couple days in the fridge. Recipes down below. If you want more lunch or breakfast recipes or high protein, just leave a comment down below. See ya, bye.